In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone in Webex. This process is essential for ensuring clear communication during your meetings. Let's make sure you are set up for success right from the start. First, launch Webex on your device. You will see the familiar Webex interface appear on your screen. This is your gateway to participating in meetings effectively. Once it is open, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. If you are prompted to log in, enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in is crucial because it ensures you have all your personalized settings and meeting information at hand. Once you are logged in, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. Next up, click on Join or Create a Meeting. This option will be clearly visible on the home screen. If you have a meeting link, you can paste it here. Alternatively, you can create a new meeting if you want to host one. Engaging in meetings is a fundamental aspect of utilizing Webex, whether you are joining or leading. After you click this option, you may need to provide additional information depending on the meeting type. This step is important as it allows you to connect with colleagues, clients, or partners effectively. After that, before entering the meeting, a microphone icon should be visible at the left bottom corner of your screen. Click the microphone icon to check its status. If it is red, it indicates that your microphone is muted. Clicking it will turn the icon black or gray, which means your audio is now enabled. This step is vital because audio clarity enhances communication. You want to ensure that your voice is heard clearly. So, taking this moment to verify your microphone status can save you from potential misunderstandings during the meeting. With that ready, click on Start Meeting. This action will launch you into the meeting room where you can interact with other participants. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that you are officially in the meeting. Starting the meeting is the final step in getting your audio set up. It allows you to utilize the full capabilities of Webex, ensuring that your voice can be heard by everyone present. Each of these steps plays a significant role in making your experience seamless. By following this guide, you ensure that you can communicate effectively, whether for work or connecting with friends. Remember, the microphone status is crucial. Keeping it unmuted can help avoid confusion. Thank you for watching this video on enabling your microphone in Webex. Following these steps will help you join meetings with confidence. You will be able to express your thoughts and contribute actively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy meeting!